Hello, welcome back again to part 4 of my full video review of OptimizePress 2.0. I'm Richard Martin from smartincomedetective.com, and in this video I'm going to look at the nitty-gritty of OptimizePress 2.0 and what exactly you've just purchased or are about to purchase for your money. So straight in, right off the bat, I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I want to open up my OptimizePress plugin because I've already got a theme installed. So I've installed the plugin as you will have seen on the previous videos. So straight across to OptimizePress, and I'm going to go to the dashboard of OptimizePress on this installation. Now the dashboard gives you your global settings, so in here you can set up your headers, your logos, etc., your favicons, the footer options, your SEO options, any promotional settings or custom CSS you've got to install. It's also got your analytics, so you can paste in your Google Analytics codes for your sales pages or your squeeze pages, whatever you're designing. You've got your email integration. There's Aweber, Infusionsoft, all that sort of stuff. Your social integration, Facebook, etc. So it's pretty basic, really. In this instance, I'm not going to set up all of this. Really, what I want to show you in this video is the custom templates that are already pre-formatted for you and starting a blank sales page. So to do that, I'm going to go to Page Builder, which will bring me right in to build a brand new page. So it's asking me to name my page, so I'm going to type in awesome product because I want to create a sales page for an ebook, for instance. So there we go. It's made me a page URL permalink as well for that awesome product. Now to the bottom we've got two options. You can choose a blank page where you install and add the elements, the different page elements yourself, or you can use a content template that's where your pre-formatted templates are. So I want to go straight into the content templates because I think that's what a lot of people are interested in. I know I'm certainly interested in this, so I'm going to click the content template, and that immediately opens up more options towards the bottom. So here are our options. So we've got home pages. We've got one there which looks really professional straight away. The first thing that jumps out at me is how professional that looks. I'll just enlarge in that for you now. It just looks, like something that would cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you were to outsource this to a designer. So I'm looking for a sales page. So there's just on an offshoot, there's the membership pages. Again, they look absolutely fantastic, really fantastic. That's what you want when you're delivering your membership to your customers. You want easy, clean pages where people can navigate to the content they want easily and quickly. Again, really, really superb looking pages. We've got the opt-in or squeeze pages. I'm not too bothered about the opt-in pages right now. I'll do another video on that later on. So there's quite a good selection there of opt-in pages. I've got some other pages, so you can build a frequently asked question page, your download pages, which look really good. Now here's the sales pages. This is what I want. So we've got a selection of 4. They all look awesome. I'm just going to go ahead and keep scrolling down just so you can see, and then I'll go back up. So we've got the webinar pages there, the webinar sign-up pages. And, how many times do I have to use awesome in this video? They just look so professional. If people land on these sorts of pages, they're not going to think twice about giving you their name and their email and signing up, because they just it just shouts out, this is a professional outfit. I want to be in, I want to go to this webinar or whatever you're doing. So again, really good. So back to the sales page, which I want to create. So I'm going to select the very first ebook sales page. So if I just click on there, and then I need to go to the bottom of the page and then click on proceed to step 2. So step 2, this is the live editor, ladies and gents. This is what James Dyson and the team have been shouting from the rooftops about for so long. Excuse me. I've done quite a few videos today, my voice is starting to go already. So this looks complicated the first time you access it, but it really isn't. It really isn't. So let's go at it from left to right. So we've got the layout settings, we've got the colour scheme settings, the type of text you're going to use on your page settings, membership settings. You can access the other content templates that we've just seen, and you've got your help pages. You can also see we're working on a draft at the minute, and we've also got this button here, which is probably going to be one of the most important buttons in this editor, because right now I am looking at the live editor, so you can see all these little boxes where it says add element and stuff like that, and you've got all the lines around all the boxes. So this is your live editor. But if I now click on this where it says show or hide controls, that is how my sales page is going to look to people visiting my site. So I can instantly see what I'm doing as I go along. So to edit this, all I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see that, they are quite small and hidden on that black background, but you've got a number of options there. So you can delete it, of course, you can move the headline around, that's the settings button, and this is your edit button. So I want to click this because I want to edit this text. Okay, so there's the text, that's the headline. So I just want to quickly change this. I'm not going to go too in depth. I just want to give you an idea of how easy it is to create your sales page and how easy it is to edit these pre-formatted templates. So my ebooks and courses primarily concern eBay. So I'm going to type in the eBay breakthrough. And join 750 plus other who have started highly profitable businesses from the comfort of their own homes. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to ignore these settings. So, well, I won't ignore them, I'll go through them now. So we've got the custom font settings. So whatever you select there, that will be displayed on your site. So you've got the different styles there, you've got your bolds, you've got your colours, you've got your spacing, you've got your shadows. You've also got quite a few fonts to choose from. I'm just going to leave that exactly how it is at the minute. You've got your alignment, so it's currently aligned to the left. I'll leave it like that. Line height, highlighter button, and a couple of options where you can change the margins of your top and bottom margin. But I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So I'm just going to insert the new headline. So insert, and there you go. There's my new headline. So it's as simple as that. The sales pages are already designed for you. You just need to put in your sales copy. You can, you just need to put in your graphics for your ebook, and you need to, you need to change the text, change the prices, change the colours, whatever you want. It's so easy to do, ladies and gents. And as I've said on my blog post, this is a game changer. Make no mistake about that. this is a game changer. So, okay, I'm getting a little bit excited because I am a massive OptimizePress 1 fan, and I just know from looking at this that this is going to, again, redesign how I market my products. So the subheadline, so I'll just, again, exactly the same, edit. It'll bring up exactly what's on the actual sales page. So I need to delete that and put in a small headline. Stop tearing your hair out searching on Google for suppliers, as I share 7 explosive sourcing techniques that will boost your bank balance. Simple as that. You got the same options. If we scroll down, let's just add a couple of dots there. Excuse me again. If we sorry, them options aren't displayed there. We need to click the advanced options, and that'll bring up the options like we've just seen for the headline. But I just want to leave it exactly how it is, so I'm just going to click insert. And there you go, I've got my headline and I've got my subheadline. Now I just want to change the buy button. Now this has had a big overhaul on this this version of OptimizePress. There are a lot of different options that you can choose, so you can even actually make your own buy buttons. So these are the sort of options you can choose. You can change the colours, change the text. Again, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave that button exactly how it is just for now, but you get the idea. All these different options that you can choose, and then you've got your text there. So I'm going to change that. Mine is, let's have a look. Mine is currently at £17, so I'm in the UK, so I charge my customers in pounds. So there you go, buy now for only £17. You've got the other button there. I don't actually do that on my sales page. I don't give a sample, but it's given me an idea to actually give out a free sample. That's the ebook there. You can change that. You click edit, and you just select in a file from your computer. So select files. Again, I'm not going to do this either because I don't know exactly where the ebook image is on my very disorganized desktop, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. So as you can see, every time I hover over an element, the little dots come around the element, and then it gives me these options. So that's the same for every single element. And when I talk about elements, these are separate elements that you can add in or take away or whatever. So again, I'm just going to leave that. Let's change this. So you can change the icon, right? So I want to change the icon. Let's change it to a wallet. Right, I'm just making this up on the fly, so it's not going to sound great. Cash generating business. Source highly profitable in demand products that you can resell for huge profits. Okay, so here's the second one. I'm just going to leave it. That's just an example. So we can change that again if we wanted. Let's just change that to a credit card. And the third icon, we'll change that again. What should we do? We'll change that to some money. And then again, insert that. You've got the advanced options there where you can change the styling of the fonts and the colours, etc. Again, I'm just going to insert that and see what that looks like. Look at that. Isn't that brilliant? That is going to absolutely revolutionise my current sales page at InstantStartBusiness.com, because it is looking a little bit tired now. And forgive me, please forgive me if you're not an Apple fan, but what this reminds me of is it's like the internet marketing's version of Apple products, if I've explained that properly, because this to me is like the layout and how it looks, how it visually pleases me. It's exactly what happens to me when I walk into that Apple store. Everything's crisp, everything's clean, everything's clear, and it just makes me want to buy one of their products. And hopefully the same will happen with these sales pages for my ebook, for my membership sites, etc. So that's sort of my thinking behind everything anyway. Okay, I'm not going to go in and do any more in this video because I think you've got the idea. If I just scroll down, we've got the testimonial boxes. Again, you just simply click the button, edit in whatever you want, and you've got your testimonial. Now, if I just let me just add this towards the end. If I wanted to add another element, so let's say I wanted to add right in this section here where my mouse cursor is now circling, let's say I wanted to add in a row of ticks to say what the features of my ebook would be. Well, I will just go across here and show the controls, and there you go. To add that, all I would do is add an element, and here are your element options. So there are hundreds, well it seems like there are hundreds of element options. There are loads and loads, so you can add a feature box, you can add a file download, you've got your guarantee box. Let's just add a guarantee box just for demonstration purposes. There's your options. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Let's just choose that one. I'm not going to edit or do I have to edit the? Yes, I do. Alright, I'll just days trial. Okay. If you are not happy with your purchase, you can request a full refund in a 30-day period. Let's see what that comes out like. Just insert it, and there you go. Honestly, is that easy or is that easy? Again, I'll say it again. My first ebook site on InstantStartBusiness.com cost me $120 for a designer to code the HTML sales page. This is going to cost you between $99 and $197, or $297 if you go for the unlimited option. If you are creating more than one or two sales pages or squeeze pages or membership sites, this is going to pay for itself, guys. Alright, this is going to pay for itself. Now, you can see how easy I've just added that element there. And you can add as many elements as you want. You can change everything. So let's just hide them options again. Doesn't that look absolutely superb? Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself now. That's a brief overview of the live editor on OptimizePress 2.0. I hope you'll join me again in part 5. Thanks very much. I will speak to you soon.